pattern is expressed on the outside. Now, so this gave us the idea that why don't we bring the vegetation all the way down to the basement? And so this led us to this idea of what we call an eco-cell. An eco-cell is basically a slot that we cut into the building at various parts of the floor plate. And this is the waterfront. Oh, this project is one of our, has a sort of cherished position in our sort of project cemetery. It's our competition entry for the Kowloon waterfront. And that these eco-cells do a number of things. It brings vegetation from the roof all the way down to the bottom of the building, right down to the basement. It provides opportunity for rainwater harvesting, and it provides opportunity for bringing natural ventilation inside the building, and that it brings daylight into the insides of the building so you can reduce energy consumption. Also, at the right at the bottom, you could have one of those John Todd's living machine for recycling the sewage. This is the master plan, and the red squares show where the eco cells are. We put all the towers to the far ends of the building, and so these are, we call them. There was existing piers in the tower, and said, well, why don't we design these towers as pier towers, and so that you can actually go to work by speedboat or by train or by car. This is the park in between, and what we've done is that for the retail, we tuck the vegetation in like a sandwich, almost like a sort of bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich, and with the vegetation tucked in, you can see the towers at the end of the project, and that this was the idea for the eco-cell, and that's the opera house right at the bottom. And for us, this was, if you like, in many ways, an ideal master plan. And here it is. You can see the towers on the far left and on the far right. And the back, and that whopper in the middle is KPF's tower, which we respected. We didn't want to obstruct its view. And so here's another scheme. So we thought, well, that's a great idea. Now this time we put the eco cells in this scheme, and the red squares show where the eco cells are as it goes down into the basement of the building. And then on top left-hand corner is the plaza.